In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on Deriv Go. Whether you're a complete beginner or just switching to mobile trading, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website of Deriv Go, which is deriv.com, trading platforms, and then go to the Deriv Go. Or you can also click the download now because this will redirect you to the Google Play Store if you are using an Android or the App Store if you're using an iOS. But if you want to use the web browser instead, all I have to do is log in using your credentials. And what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the Deriv Go interface itself. Now, before trading, make sure your account has funds available. Tap the wallet or cashier section and deposit using your preferred method like bank transfer or crypto. If you choose the bank transfer, all I have to do now is choose your payment method, for example, card, type in the amount that you wanted to deposit, and press the deposit now. Once the funds are added successfully, your balance will appear on the top section of the app. You need to go to the trade or market section. In this case, we are choosing the trade details. I am going to open the MetaTrader 5 web terminal instead of the MetaTrader 5 app. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. Now here, you will see different trading markets including Forex, cryptocurrency, synthetic indices, and we are going to use a synthetic index for this example. After selecting the asset, the live chart will open where you can analyze the price movements and market trends. Of course, if you go to the codes, you will notice that you will see several important settings. You will see the stake amount, trade duration, and always review these carefully before entering a trade. The horizontal lines here gives you more control, and if you want to enter an amount, all I have to do is click the trade section here. You can bid high, you can bid low, and if you want to spread, you can do that as well. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade on Deriv Go using your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.